Hey, what's up everybody? Again, this is Leo or Greed for Money, and this is going to be my Box Matrix Pinoy tutorial. Alright, so bigyan ko lang kayo ng overview on what you're going to do with Box Matrix. Alright, so you're just gonna register once. So mag-create tayo ng account. Second, click ads. Third, share this to others, to anyone. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Alright, pakita ko sa'yo. Alright, and lastly, repeat. Ulitin mo lang araw-araw, but just, skip this one. Alright, isang beses ka lang magre-register. Alright, so, first thing, kailangan natin pumunta sa Sulit webpage ko, which is greedformoney.sulit.com.ph. Suggest ko sa'yo, i-save mo na tong URL kong to, cellphone mo, sulat mo sa papel, or i-save mo sa PC mo. Alright, kasi ito lang ang babalikan mo araw-araw. Kung may kailangan kang i-check, or you need me, you need to ask some questions, andito lang ako. Alright, so let's get into it. Okay? So, ngayon, nandito ka sa may page ng Box Matrix, as you can see on this exact spot that you're in, alright? Same thing. Alright, so, ganito gagawin mo. Pwede mo i-play itong video ko sa instructions. Pause mo siya. Kung may gusto kang balikan, ikaw na bahala. Alright? And then, ito yung mga links ko. Alright, dito tayo gagawa ng account. So, pwede kang mag-click dito or mag-click dito, nasa na. So, ganito ang gagawin mo para madali. So, mag-right click ka dito and then piliin mo tong open link in new tab. Alright? Piliin mo yan. And then, ito nakita mo may lumabas na window dito. Alright? Ito yung registration form. Alright? So, gagawin mo, lalagay ka lang ng username. Let's say my username is Sulit Box Matrix. Alright? Then, lagay tayo ng password. Then, email address. Okay? Let's say, ang email address ko is newbie@gmail.com. So, recopy lang yan. And then, itong email address mo for alert pay payments. Basically, itong Box Matrix is nagbabayad sa alert pay. So, kung wala ka pang alert pay account, you can easily grab it here. Punta ka lang dito sa may taas. Andito siya. Alright, alert pay. Click mo lang yan and then mag-register ka ng alert pay account. Alright, in my previous videos, I believe na naipaliwanag ko na sa inyo kung ano tong dalawang to. Alright, so balik tayo dito sa may Box Matrix. Alright, so let's say ang alert pay email mo is also newbie@gmail.com. Alright, your country. Since nandito tayo sa Sulit, nasa Pilipinas tayo, so let's put Philippines. Alright, and make sure na yung referral nyo is Greed for Money, which is me. Ako yan. Alright, and then put the security code. Nakikita mo dito. I forgot. Check mo muna tong terms of service. Alright, then security code 56738, and then click mo lang tong register. Then that's it. May Box Matrix account ka na. Alright? So, what you're gonna do next, once na maklik mo to, is just gonna click on login. Alright. So, personally, naglalagin ako sa may Box Matrix account ko. Alright? So, yan. Click tong send. Alright. So, ganito kumita ng pera sa Box Matrix. Napakasimple. Katulad ng sinabi ko, naka-register na tayo. So, this one is check. Okay na yan. Then, click ads. Alright? So, click ads. So, punta tayo dito. kita mo itong browse ads, click mo lang to. Browse ads. Okay, so may nakikita tayong tatlong ads. Ito yung view ad, view ad, view ad. Alright, and one more thing, double check nyo yung login registration nyo. I mean, kung naka-login talaga kayo sa Box Matrix. To know that, makikita mo yung username mo dito. Like me, dito yung username ko, Greed4Money. Okay? So gagawin ko, click ko lang tong ads na to. And then, magkakaroon tayo ng timer dito sa gilid. So, ganito lang. Ganito lang kumita ng pera sa Box Matrix. Click ads, share, repeat. Araw-araw. Ano lang. Simple na. Alright. So, ito yung timer. Hintayin lang natin siya matapos. Actually, pwede ka mag-Facebook habang ginagawa mo to, or pwede mo ring pwede ka mag-chat. Nasa iyo anong gusto mong gawin. Or visit ka na kahit anong website. Ganun lang. Alright. So, yan. Tatapos na si timer. And then, alright. Ito may okay sign. Make sure na lumalabas tong check sign sa gilid. Ibig sabihin, nabayaran ka dyan sa pag-click mo. Alright. So, close lang natin to. Then, click na naman natin tong isang ads. So, gawin mo lang dyan araw-araw. Ubusin mo lang ng ads. Wala namang, saglit lang naman siya gawin eh. So, ganun lang. Ubus-ubus lang ang ads. Basically, lahat ng mga ina-advertise dito is all about, money-making program, how to build your online business. At yun, lahat ng ganong klaseng bagay. Ganun ang ina-advertise dito. So, nasa iyo kung gusto mo join or hindi. Pero, regardless, nabayaran ka basta nag-click ka ng ads. Alright, so yun lang. Alright, so ito, nag-click na naman dito, nag-check. Kita mo yung check sign. Okay na yan. So, close mo lang to. Close tab. Close. Alright, and then, click na rin natin itong isang ad. Alright, click ko lang yan. And, alright, so, yun. So, may check sign na dito. Pumasok na siya. Bayad tayo. Close tab. And then, para makasiguro tayo na, okay yung pagka-click natin, i-refresh lang natin tong screen. So, refresh. And your login. Alright, so nakikita nyo dito, ad viewed. So, ibig sabihin, na-view ko na siya. So, gagawin ko bukas, balik lang ako sa Box Matrix ulit and then click on ads. Alright, so tapos na tayo dyan. Gagawin lang natin after that is, nakikita mo tong username mo. May sarili kang username na ngayon. Alright, so click mo lang yan. And then, ipopromote natin yung Box Matrix and promote BM. Kita mo yan? Actually, kung gusto nyo makita yung balance nyo, nandito yung balance nyo. Alright? Dumadagdag yan kada click nyo ng ads. Alright? So, right now, meron akong $18.54. Alright? So, ito, promote BM. So, click mo lang itong promote BM. And then, ito ang tinatawag nating referral link. So, ito yung personalized link mo. Like me, I'm Greed4Money. So, ito yung link ko. Gagawin mo lang dyan is i-copy mo to. Copy, and then ikaw na kung gusto mo mag-post sa sulit or gusto mong mag-invite sa Facebook, pwede mo siyang i-post dito. Let's say, guys, join kayo dito, Box Matrix. Yan, so yan yung Box Matrix. Share ko lang yan. And then, if anyone click on that, basically, magiging referral ko na sila to get more money. Yan lang kasimple. Alright, so, that would be all, I think. And, kung meron kayong, meron kayong mga questions sa akin, pwede kayo mag-send sa akin ng message dito sa Sulit page ko. So, just go to greed4money.sulit.com.ph, or kung meron kayong Skype, or download kayo ng Skype, you can chat me and you can also call me. Just look for Greed4Money. That's my name. Alright, so again, thanks for your time for watching this video, and I hope na may natutunan ka, and let's make money online today. Thanks for watching. Bye.